Good morning. So today we want to deep clean the machine using the Dr. Beckmann washing machine care cleaner. I was just reading the instruction, and the first thing is to pour out. You see, this is 50 milliliters, so I've already put 4 liters of water, and then I'm supposed to add this 50 milliliters of the solution so that I can soak the detergent drawer for 30 minutes. So let me do that. As I wait, I'm going to be watching some YouTube videos on how to clean the fluff filter. I know it's at the bottom, so that won't be hard. So this is how the detergent looks like. Let's get to it. I'm going to remove the drawer. So to remove, I'm going to press down here, and then it's out. So the tray just had a little residue here, but that's not a big deal. I usually make sure to maintain it clean, so it's not so bad, it's not so dirty. So I'm just going to soak the whole thing inside. So this is the fluff filter. I've seen that I expect to see water. I don't even know if I'll be able to record, but allow me to open, because this is where I'm supposed to open it and then collect what is there, and then I'll show you how I clean. I took it out, it was mostly clean. There was actually nothing. This is what I took out. From other YouTube videos, they are getting a lot of gunk. So that's how it looks. I can't really tell how the inside looks, but I'm going to use a torch and try to see if there's any dirt. Now I want to clean the rubber gasket or rubber seal. So here it says to use a little bit of the solution, remove the fluff, small stones, etc. Remove the rubber seal, pour a small amount of the cleaner onto a cloth and wipe the window. Okay, so I'll wipe the window pane and the rubber seal. So that's why it says that. Cloth I'll be using. Then I pour. So this is the rubber gasket here. So I'm going to clean that, and then this is the window pane. So 30 minutes are up. It says after 30 minutes. So okay, yeah, we're going to be following the instructions on the bottle. So it says after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, clean the dispenser of any residue and insert it back into the machine. So I'll just clean that and return. So it has been about how many months? About 8 months since I ever cleaned, but I'm always so keen. After every cycle, I like to check and I like to wipe the gasket though. So that's why it was not so dirty. So I think I'm done here. So I return it and then we can do the cleaning cycle now. So as I was doing the final touch up, I noticed you can actually remove this. It actually came out on its own, but it was so easy. So you see there's this compartment here. Is it like a protrusion? And then there's this. So I can just insert it back. It was just so light. So it's back. Then I insert it. Instructions said to wipe off with a damp cloth after some few minutes. So I just dumped this cloth. I'm going to wipe the solution off. So finally, I'm going to set my machine to tab clean. Mine, I have to press this two at the same time. Okay, so I think I will change the temperature to 40 because the Beckmann solution already says that it works at 40. Yes, it turns out I needed to turn on the water. So now it's doing its thing. It's about done. 9 minutes to go. And the whole house smells like the detergent.